Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to bleach your lace closure. This is the first video to go up of the curly series, which is a series of videos that I'll be posting showing you how to customize and apply curly wigs. So what you see me doing now is mixing in the 40 Developer and the BW2 powder to create a consistency thick enough to sit on top of the lace. You don't want this mixture to be too watery or else it'll seep through the lace and end up bleaching the hair. To create the perfect consistency, you want to make sure that you have more powder than developer in the bowl. A way to test this is to flip your bowl over, and if no product sinks out or runs through, then your consistency is thick enough to go ahead and apply to your lace. Another tip to make sure that the product does not seep through is to use patting instead of sweeping motions when applying the bleach. This ensures that nothing seeps down into the hair. So now you want to make sure to do this until your lace is completely covered. Once you are done applying all the products, you want to go ahead and flip your closure over so that it is laying lace down onto the aluminum foil. And now you're just going to make sure to let that sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And what this does is allows for the activation process to kick in a bit faster. While the bleach is processing, you want to make sure to check every now and then just to ensure that nothing is bleaching too fastly and everything is just fine before we go ahead and rinse the bleach off. Go ahead and take your screenshots, ladies. So now what I am doing is just using this purple shampoo by Shimmer, which is used to get rid of the brassiness and orangey tone that comes from bleaching closures. So I'm just going to make sure to use this shampoo twice on my closure before I go ahead and condition it. If there ever comes a time when you overly process your frontal, then make sure to go pick up some purple shampoo, because what the tone does is cancels out the oranginess that comes from overly processing and gives you that skin-like texture and tone back to your lace. To condition, I am going to be using the Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner by Mielle Organics. Or is it Mielle Organics? I don't know, but whatever it is, I can tell you that it smells so good. I use this product on my natural hair as well, and it leaves it feeling so soft. Like, I promise you, I stand by this product. So I'm just combing the product in with a Denmen brush, and a Denmen brush will literally be your best friend when it comes to curly hair, because what it does is define the curls. So what you see now is just the amount of shedding I got on the brush, which was pretty minimal, and it's very good because usually after processing you tend to see a great load of shedding, but for this curly hair I didn't see that much, so I was really impressed. So we're pretty much all done with the washing process, and what I'm doing now is just scrunching the hair up with my hand to make sure that the curls are even more defined. And we are all done, you guys. I'm so happy the tint came out perfectly, and this is a free part closure, so what you're seeing me doing is just making a few parts throughout random spots of the lace. But yep, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.